This is one of the best Nigerian snacks we love so much. It is so easy to make, cheap and healthy. All you need to do is add a spoonful of sugar and yeast with lukewarm water, not too hot, not cold, a lukewarm water. Stir it and allow it to sit for a few minutes. Once the yeast has woken, add more sugar, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Then add 1 cup of flour. What I did, I added the flour little by little. Continue to stir until it is well mixed, smooth, not runny, and not too thick. Put it in a warm place for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once the dough increases in size, that shows it is time to fry. And you can fry using your vegetable oil. We love our puff puff brown or brownish. So fry it on a low heat. It is delicious and you can enjoy it with your soft drink, juice, water, even tea and coffee. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you and God bless you.